Dear students, I am Rajeswari, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science with Data Analytics, Dr. Mrs.M.Rajeswari College of Arts and Science. In today's video, I am going to explain you about the concept of C++ programming language. So through this session, I am going to teach you some basics of the C++ programming and also some sample programs in the C++ language. So before get inside the programming knowledge, we should know the basics about the C++ program. So what do you mean by C++ program? C++ is a cross-platform language. It is also a programming language that can be used to create high-performance applications. This C++ gives the programmers a high level of control over the system resources and memory. The language was updated 5 major times in 2011, 2014, 2017 and 2020 and 2023. So this language have been updated for 5 major times. So these years the language was updated. Okay, to how it is upgraded means in the starting it is meant as C++ 11. Then after that after the updation it will be named as C++ 14. Then after this next version of the C++ is the C++ 17. Likewise C++ 20 and C++ 23 are the next versions of the C++ program. So why we have to use the C++? C++ is one of the world's most popular programming language. It can be found in today's operating systems, graphical user interfaces and embedded system. So it is mostly used in the graphical user interfaces and embedded systems. So C++ is an object-oriented programming language which gives a clear structure to programs and allows the code to be reused, lowering development cost. So based on the cost only we are going to select the C++. Okay, so the development cost is very much lower in the C++ programming language. C++ is portable and can be used to develop application that can be adopted to multiple platforms. So C++ is one of the portable language. In any operating system we can use the C++ program. So it is a major advantage of C++ programming language. Then as C++ is close to C, C# and Java. So the codings of the C++ program mostly related with the C, C# and Java. So if you know the concept of C++ program, we can easily know the concept of C, C# and Java. So it is a basic for all the programming languages of C, C#, Java. Okay, it make it easy for programmers to switch to C++ or vice versa. So C++ program fundamentals. So this section guides you through the basic concepts of C++ programming. It covers the topics that teaches you to write your first program, manage data, perform different operations and control the flow of the program. So through this session you can learn the simple C++ program, how we can write and how we can execute that program, how we can see the output for the particular simple program. So our agenda is introduction, identifier, keywords, variables, data types. So these are the control flow of these are the different operations which control the flow of the program. So these are the parts of the C++ program. So if you are having the C++ program, you should have some identifiers and keywords and variables and data types. So common data types. So what do you mean by compound data types? So compound data types is nothing but it is all created from the built-in data types. This section guides you through important compound data types such as array, string, pointer and structures that helps in managing complex real-world data such as arrays, pointers and references. So these are all the different types of compound data types. So now I will explain some sample programs in C++ program. So now we are going to write one simple sample program in C++ program. So we are going to display one message that is called as hello world program. Okay, this program print the classic hello world message to the console. So through this program coding we are going to display one message that is called as hello world. Okay, so whenever you are writing C++ program we have to start with the header file, that should be starts with hash symbol. Okay, hash include less than symbol, IO stream greater than symbol. This is called as the header file. So we have to install this before running this program. So whenever you start writing the C++ program, we have to first write the header file. Okay, then whatever we are writing should be inside the main program. So int main of, okay va? Then we have to open and close the coding. Okay, whenever you are giving the open bracket, you should enter that program with the end bracket. So within this only we have to write the coding of the C++ program. So std double colon c out less than symbol we have to give for displaying one message. Okay, so whatever we are giving inside this double quotation, the total word will be displayed as it is. So then another word we are giving std double colon end l. So then we are finally returning the null value, that means 0 value we are returning. Okay, so the output of this program is hello world. So we are given that value within the cout statement. Okay, so through this cout statement we are displaying the output. Okay, like this only have to write the simple R program. Okay.